Product reviews of heart rate monitors. Heart rate monitors are an essential tool for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to track their heart rate during exercise or daily activities. With so many heart rate monitors on the market, it can be difficult to determine which one is right for you. In this review, we will take a closer look at heart rate monitors and evaluate one particular model, the Garmin Forerunner 945. Design and features. The Garmin Forerunner 945 is a sleek and stylish heart rate monitor that is packed with features to help you track your fitness goals. The device features a large, easy-to-read color display that provides real-time heart rate data, as well as information on your distance, pace, and more. The watch is highly customizable, with a range of watch faces and widgets to choose from. One of the key features of the Garmin Forerunner 945 is its GPS capabilities. The device is equipped with built-in GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo sensors, which provide highly accurate location data. This makes it easy to track your runs, hikes, and other outdoor activities, and to monitor your progress over time. The Forerunner 945 also includes a range of other features designed to help you stay on top of your fitness goals. These include a barometric altimeter, which measures changes in elevation, a compass, which helps you navigate unfamiliar terrain, and a gyroscope, which helps you track your movements during exercise. Performance. In terms of performance, the Garmin Forerunner 945 is highly accurate and reliable. The device's heart rate monitor uses Garmin's Elevate technology, which provides continuous heart rate monitoring without the need for a chest strap. This makes it easy to monitor your heart rate during exercise and throughout the day. The watch's GPS capabilities are also highly accurate, and the device can quickly acquire a GPS signal even in areas with poor satellite coverage. The Forerunner 945 is also water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and other aquatic activities. Battery life. One of the standout features of the Garmin Forerunner 945 is its impressive battery life. The device can last up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode and up to 36 hours in GPS mode. This makes it ideal for long-distance running, hiking, and other outdoor activities where battery life is a concern. Ease of use. The Garmin Forerunner 945 is easy to use, with a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. The watch can be controlled using buttons on the side of the device, as well as through its touchscreen display. The device also includes a range of helpful features, such as automatic workout tracking and custom training plans, to help you reach your fitness goals. Limitations. While the Garmin Forerunner 945 is an impressive heart rate monitor, it does have a few limitations that are worth noting. One potential drawback is the device's price. The Forerunner 945 is one of the more expensive heart rate monitors on the market, which may make it less accessible for some users. Another limitation of the Forerunner 945 is its size. While the device is sleek and stylish, it is also relatively large compared to some other heart rate monitors. This may be a concern for users with smaller wrists or those who prefer a more discreet device. Finally, while the Forerunner 945 is highly customizable, it may take some time to get used to the device's interface and controls. This is particularly true for users who are new to heart rate monitoring or fitness tracking.